this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a brand new entertainment app you guys can use to view your favorite anime. Hey, what's up boys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again. So today's video is going to be a simple tutorial showing you guys this new entertainment app that showed up on the App Store. So today's a news video, so I'm going to be going over some things about the application and all that sort of stuff. In order to get the application, all you have to do is look it up. It's going to be showing up on the screen, so make sure you look at the title so you guys can go ahead and look it up on the App Store. I will not be providing a link in the description below. So before we do get started, I do want to give a shout out to our Covert Apps Discord server, and this is the Discord server where we show you guys new App Store apps that are hidden. We basically put it on there for you guys to look at for yourself. It's a really good catalog so that you guys can see all of the different apps that the App Store has to offer, which are hidden. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and join the Discord. The link is in the description below. You guys can join it and you guys can be a part of our community. So today's news video is obviously about an entertainment app, which we'll be talking about right now. This entertainment app, if you look up on the App Store for anime, it will pop out. So once you're in the application itself, you guys can already see that the app is ready to go. You don't need any specific installation process or password or anything like that. All you have to do is tap the title you're looking for and the video should appear. Their catalog system is full of different types of anime that you guys would be interested in. All you have to do is click it or look at the search bar and it'd be ready for you guys to watch. Again, this is a news video, so I'm just going to be talking about the application. You guys can go ahead and get it on the App Store if you guys choose to. It's super simple. All you have to do is tap the title and then there should be a play button somewhere there. You can also share the link of it as well. But if you guys are interested in more of these applications, we have them on our Covert Apps Discord server. So if you're interested in entertainment apps, emulators, anything new and secret that's on the App Store, we have it there for you guys. And also, if you find any apps yourself, we can go ahead and add it to our Discord server and give you credit for it. That's a way for you guys to earn credit on my channel as well as on the Discord server. So keep on the lookout. If you hear about any apps, go ahead and let us know. That's basically for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like and subscription towards my name. I'll see you guys in the future. Stay tuned for more. Peace.
Perfect.